They say that Commedia dell'Arte is universal.
Universal!
What does it mean? Maybe Universal Pictures took inspiration from Commedia dell'Arte, actually. No, just joking. But actually, this is a very good question. Why they say that Commedia dell'Arte is universal? We already said that Commedia dell'Arte's dramaturgy was open. The actors could make slight changes to it. But this was thanks to a really clear and fixed structure. Before going on stage, they knew exactly what it was going to happen. They had a lot of jokes, a lot of dialogues memorized. There were, for example, some jokes called lazzi. What are lazzis? Lazzis are some kind of jokes that are fixed. Arlecchino is catching a fly. So the actor, thanks to his body expressivity, was able to communicate to the audience what the situation was about. And even though the audience came from another country and didn't speak the actor's language, was able to understand what was going on. So in that reason lazzis were universal, because they made the audience understand what the situation was about, no matter the cultural differences and the language differences. Then all the characters were archetypical. It means that they embodied a specific person from a specific social status, so they were extremely recognizable. Let's take for example Pantalone and Zanni, a master and a servant. Pantalone is a citizen, he's civil, he's educated, he's rich, but he's old. Zanni, on the contrary, is an immigrant, is illiterate, is dirty, is poor, but he is young. And this created a conflict that was universally recognizable. How many times in our everyday life we see conflicts between rich people and poor people, between the old generation and the young generation. Even though these kind of conflicts can be slightly different from country to country, from culture to culture, the basis, the soul of these kind of conflicts is actually the same. They are conflicts that every human can understand. And this is why when we watch a Commedia dell'Arte as a show, even though the actors are wearing costumes from the 16th century, we can still recognize links to our modernity. Because Commedia dell'Arte's dynamics create a transversal line that crosses centuries and cultures.